We're just finalizing the Cobra as well. We're just, we put a different release bearing in it for the transmission, and then the new axles for the back. We've got to put those in, and then we can get down to the fiddly little parts, the screen, and there's some cylinders for the hood and stuff.
Working on the grill for the Cobra. Got the upper one all done here. Kind of got some old school race car look to it with the rivets in it. Just gonna do a template for the lower and do a similar one there. That'll keep the bugs out. The next thing I'll do, just like I did on the MMA Cobra car, we call it the MMA car because the guy's like a UFC kind of fighter, but he's got a bunch of shrouds for the radiator, so we got to make some shrouds for the radiator on this car as well. And the front end of this radiator grill should be all complete. It's another check that thing off the list, right? So. The adjustment on this is a little funny, but as long as we get a bolt in.
I can hold it up.
Maybe I'll swing my side up and get one started here. No pressure, John. Camera's on. Oh, I'll get her there from there. All right, we're good.
Stay.
Stay. Now we're in business. Cool.